speaking of, like pulling it all together, we got the floors, we got the powder room, we got the laundry room. What about the first impression that everybody's going to see? I think that would be called curb appeal.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, curb appeal. Come on in. Come
Yeah.
on in.
So it's funny because we often talk about this. When we put the offer in on the house and it was accepted, we went by the house and took a picture of it, of course, like we would. I went straight to Photoshop. And I started adding contrast, scale, just tweaking the front of the house with a blank canvas and doing what we wanted to. So adding shutters to it, adding a black door, adding black window frame or window flower boxes. Just, yeah.
One thing that you don't notice from our posts and our reels is the location of our home is precisely on a curb, on a corner, and it's set a little bit higher than the rest of the houses. So when you see this house, it looks
a little
big,
bit more grand.
right? But it had several trees blocking it, gigantic trees blocking it.
The light fixtures were way too small in scale.
Super small.
There was no contrast. Balance of it from the left side to the right side was off. So just tweaking a lot of that. As a designer, I was like, I want to start with a blank canvas. So I started with Photoshop and said, what can we do right now? And when we buy the house, this is what we can do.
And by the way, the garage doors, that was actually our first project.
Yes.
It was coming out of COVID. So we were like, okay, we don't know what's going to happen, how this is going to be, how long it's going to take to order new garage doors. Let's just paint them.
Yes.
Let's just get it over with. Let's paint them. So we did.
What did you paint them? What did they start as and what did you paint them?
They were white, your traditional white Clopay or Ideal door that we went on, got is Sherwin-Williams. Oh my gosh. I forgot what is black.
It's not iron ore, but it's like the blackest
tricorn.
Tricorn
Black.
That's what I did my bathroom with. I know that color, tricorn, like pepper. I love it.
Yes, we used tricorn black on the front door and the garage door. Well, yes.
It's such an update.
Yes.
And speaking of doing makeup, I don't know why this is my theme today, but it is. When I see a house that doesn't have shutters, it makes me think of forgetting to do your eyebrows.
Yes, or put
yes, or mascara. Like, why would you do beautiful eyeshadow and then not put the part on that like finishes it, which is the shutters or the lashes?
It's the perfect add-on, in my opinion.
Did you match the shutters to the garage door and the front door black, tricorn?
Yep.
Yes, that's
perfect. Love it. Talk about pulling it together.
Yes.
Yeah. Put a new storm door on it. It was black. So
the storm door was a big no-no. It didn't make any sense. So we changed that and we just made it all glass and also black to match the door.
Took out a couple trees.
Go ahead. You put up a couple trees. That's amazing.
Probably 40-year-old trees that were just ready to yank them out. So.
And also, do you know how much value that adds to your home?
Yes.
Good. I'm sure you do.